What if every time you put skincare, may nilalagay ka palang pang-enhance sa mukha mo? Sounds weird, pero legit question ito. Hello there, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a naturopath cosmetic chemist. Let me explain. Sa skincare, preservatives are very important. They keep your product fresh, safe, at hindi napapanis. Anything with water needs a preservative para hindi ito pamahaya ng mikrobyo. May mga preservatives na tinatawag na formaldehyde-releasing preservatives tulad ng DMDM hydantoin, imadazolinidileurea, at quaternium 15. Ang purpose nila ay protektahan ng product. Pero habang ginagamit mo, they slowly release small amounts of formaldehyde. Yes, yung same chemical na ginagamit sa embalming fluid. So kung araw-araw mong nilalagay sa skin mo, para kang nag-a-apply ng ingredient na meant to preserve, hindi to nourish or revive the skin. And here's the point. That's why reading your ingredients list is so important. Okay lang i-preserve ang product, pero hindi dapat ang balat mo. Hindi lahat ng preservatives masama. But you need to know which ones to avoid kung ayaw mong ilagay sa mukha mo ang mga ingredients na ginagamit para mag-preserve ng patay. Follow me for more skin science. Let's make your skin alive, not embalmed.